guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing this very easy and quick 5 minutes green smoky eye makeup look, which is quite appropriate for the festive season that is coming around. This look is quite an experimental look for me because I haven't done any bold eye makeup look in my channel as of now. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started.
I love everything.
I'll start by applying the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Serum. I usually massage it for 1 minute before applying my makeup. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna fill in the sparse areas. Then I'll be brushing my brows with the help of the spoolie attached to it. Next, I'll be applying some concealer on the edges of my brows to make the brows look even neat. So you can see the difference between both of my brows. Now I'm priming my eyelid with the help of a concealer so that I have a fresh canvas to work with. Now I'm taking a green kajal from Sugar and I'm basically applying this all over my eyelid. Next, I'll be smoking out this green kajal, and for that I'm using the brush that is used to apply an eyeshadow. Now here, if I'm not happy with the color, I usually repeat this step once more until I'm satisfied with the color payoff. I'll be smoking out the green kajal once again. Now I'm taking this crease shade from Nykaa eyeshadow palette and I'll be applying this on my crease, and I'll be basically blending both the shades until you cannot really make out where one shade ends and another shade begins. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the same green kajal. Now I'm completing my eye look by adding 2 to 3 coats of mascara on both my upper and lower eyelashes. For my under eyes, I'm going to be applying the concealer from my Nykaa Conceal and Correct palette, and during this process I'm going to be cleaning up any mistake or any fallout from my eyeshadow, and this process makes the eyeshadow look even neater. Now I'll move on to applying foundation. So for foundation, I'll be using the Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. I'm in the shade 27. I'm gonna apply few drops on my face and neck, and then I'll be blending it with the help of a beauty blender. By applying a concealer first, you are actually using lesser products on your face and you're actually not ending up caking your face. Next, I'll move on to contouring my jawline and the hollows of my cheek, and now I'll be applying some translucent powder on the oily areas of my face. I'll keep it on for few seconds and then I'll be brushing it off with the help of a brush. I'm not going into details about the products that I'm using for this makeup because I will be mentioning them somewhere in the description box. I'll be applying very little amount of blush on my cheeks, and then I'll move on to contouring my nose. For that, I'll be using the contour shade from my Nykaa Conceal and Correct palette, and I'll be drawing 2 parallel lines like this and blending them using the warmth of my fingers.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's all.
Using the highlighter from my Sugar Contour palette, I'm going to be highlighting the highest points of my face, that is on my cheekbones, a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes, and on the bridges of my nose. Since my eye makeup is heavy, for my lips I'm using the nude shade from the Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick. It's in the shade Bombay. I'm finishing off my makeup by applying the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixing Spray. And that is the look without the hair and jewelry. For jewelry, I have chosen this pearl Mang Tikka, and I have paired the look with this matching earrings.
Alright, hush.
Found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, do consider subscribing because that would genuinely mean the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Take my eyes open to force reality.